Step 1 is to grab your phone and switch it on, followed by steps 2 and 3. Step 2 is to hit play and view the 30-second movie. And step 3 is to get paid right away. When you watch one video, you can earn up to $3. When you watch 20 videos, you can earn roughly $60. And if you watch up to 100 videos every day, you can make $300. Don't worry, in today's video, this tool is actually super easy for brand new beginners who have never made any money before, and it's completely free. Another good news is that it's available worldwide in all countries, and in just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up and which videos to watch that will pay you the most money, as well as some exclusive tips that will help you earn triple the money. Make sure you pay attention and watch this video through to the end. By the way, check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. You know, we really appreciate people that teach other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now I want you to take a look at this video right here. With this short video, you can earn around $3 just by simply watching this video, and on top of that, you can watch a lot of other videos on this brand new website on your phone or your computer. Now, I want you to pay full attention and not miss out on any important parts. So first off, I want you to go ahead and go on to the website right here. Don't worry, I'll show you the URL in a minute, but before that, this is a 100% free website where you can join instantly. Of course, you can start making money by simply taking some surveys, playing some games, or even watching videos. And now, right on this video, we're gonna focus on simply watching videos and you can get paid because this is one of the simplest and easiest methods that anyone can do without any experience. And the best thing about this website is that you can get $1 for free just by simply signing up for a free account. All you have to do is just go ahead and put in your first name, your email address, and put in your username and password and where you're at in the country section. Now, we're gonna click on the down arrow. You can see here they're basically accepting people from anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter if you're coming from the US, UK, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, the Philippines, Pakistan, or any country in the world. You can still make money online with this worldwide opportunity. Now, once you've entered all your details, just click on this right here to agree to the terms and conditions and click on this sign up button. And this is where you can get $1 for free just by signing up for a free account. Also, another reason why I love this website so much is because you can receive your payment in many different options. You can get paid in PayPal every single day, or you can receive some kind of cryptocurrency, or you can receive some other free gift cards as well. Now, if you're coming from some other country and don't have a PayPal account, don't worry. You can also receive your money on Skrill, Paytm, Bitcoin, or bank transfer, or any other payment options. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of payment method you prefer in your country. This website right here offers a lot of opportunities for you to watch different videos online and make money. As you can see, they offer a very high rate, 65 up to 85% compared to other websites where they usually offer you around 40 to 60%. So this is going to be a very good opportunity that I want to share with you, and this is an absolutely brand new website that I've never shared before in any of my YouTube videos. So once you finish signing up on this website, you can see here, welcome to GG2U. We are a very high paying source for survey routers and also offer wall offers where you can watch videos as well and pay you up to 65 or even 85% payout rate. So as you can see here, we credit you $1 for every 100 coins. Now, what this website does is they're gonna pay you in coins. and you can exchange every 100 coins into real and actual cash. Every 100 coins you get can be converted to $1. On top of that, once you reach $7 or once you earn 700 points, you can begin to cash out your money. Okay, moving on to the next page. You can start earning money right away when you scroll down below. You can just go ahead and click on this to continue. Click on this button right here, and once you click on that button, you can see this. To get started, here are some things that are very easy to do, and again, make sure you remember 100 coins equals to $1. So for this particular offer with this amount of coins, meaning you can earn some money from this. Now, when you scroll down below, you can see 300 coins, meaning $2, and there's just a lot of them, and there are so many offers that you can do on this website, and of course, you can do all of these offers and build up multiple streams of income, but again, we're gonna be focusing on watching videos. So if you want to make money by simply watching videos just like this, make sure you keep watching and follow my steps on this video. Right now, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website. You can see here, note some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. And a very important reminder, if you want to make extra money, make sure you go on and complete these offers, and you can make extra dollars for this offer and make extra money for this offer as well. Although, if you want to make money by simply watching videos, you can just go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom of this website, then just click on this. Just click on that, and then you're gonna be able to go on to your account. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying make money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 4,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment, make money online, down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, so over here is the $1 they just gave me. $1 for free after I signed up for a free account, and once I get another $6, I can begin to cash out my money. Remember, you need to make up to $7 before you can cash out your earnings. So you can see here when I scroll down below, you can see there are so many other companies, so many different offers which I can do. For example, this one right here for very famous companies, AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, and also there are other offers from other famous companies, and they give you some unique offers that you can do and start making money as well. So real quick, I just want to show you another one of these examples. So if you're just gonna click on this AdSend Media, click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come to this page and you'll go on to AdSense Media official website where you can do other different offers to earn money online. You can do surveys, you can do free trials, you can download mobile apps to earn money as well. So there are so many opportunities on one single website, all in one place. So right now, if you want to start making money by simply watching videos, just go ahead and click on this video button right here. Click on this. So as you can see here, autopay videos, for every 300 video points that you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. So very powerful. Every single video you can earn about $1 to $3. So when you scroll down below, you can see here video points by simply completing any one of the offers below. You can watch videos about food, you can watch some viral videos, you can watch some chillax videos and start earning money online. And these are different channels that we can watch. Now, for example, when you scroll down below, you can see there are so many videos here. You can even click on this load more offers. You can see that there are an unlimited number of videos for you to watch and keep making money again and again. Now, I want to show you one of these examples right now. For example, if you click on Hideout TV, so when you click on the orange button right here, and you can come on to this page, you can see here this is on Hideout TV. This is where you can start watching videos and make money online. For example, this is a short video, and by watching videos just like this, you can earn about $1 to $3 per video. It's actually a very good opportunity. So, like what I promised, I'll show you a couple extra bonus tips that can help you earn triple more money compared to other people. So right now, when you click on the gear settings right here, I want you to go ahead and click on the lowest setting, which is 240p. And the reason why I want you to select on the lowest settings is because if you're watching on your phone or if you're watching on your computer, the best thing to do to maximize your earnings and make the most amount of money is you want to go ahead and click on multiple videos and multiple channels, and all of them at the same time should be playing in the background. That way, it can help you make triple or even 5 times more money. At the same time, they also consume a lot of your internet speed, a lot of your data, so it is a very good choice for you to choose the lowest settings right here. This is going to be the first step and one of the most important things that I wanted to give to you. Moving on, I want to give you a second tip. Look at the right side of this section, up next. So right here you can choose and watch different videos, and this is where you can earn bonus money up to $2, even $3 per video. Now make sure you watch all the videos. Make sure you watch all the way until the end, from 0 seconds all the way until the 4 minutes. Watch the entire video so that you can actually receive the points and convert the points into actual money. Alright, here's the final bonus tip. Now, when you click on this arrow button right here, you can view even more other videos. For example, this one right here. You can also see this one right here. You can see the videos right over here, number 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. For every single one of these videos, when you click on the arrow button, you can have extra videos that you can watch. You can see here all the additional bonus videos that you can watch to earn extra money online, and of course, you can watch them on your iPhone or your Android phone. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of mobile devices you're using to watch this video right now. Either way, you can still use any device to earn with this opportunity for absolutely free. Now, once you've finished watching these bonus videos over here, you can just go ahead and click on the next button right here. You can see that there are more bonus videos that you can watch. This is a super great strategy for you to keep watching the videos over and over again, and you can make a lot of money online. So once you finish watching one channel, you can just go on to watch the next channel and go to watch other videos, and there are just so many videos right here that you can keep watching and keep on making money. So the URL for this website is gg2u.org. You can simply type in the URL and make money online, and that's it. Before you go though, don't forget to also check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.